Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for your inquiry on our used OCTAVIA hatch, registration DF69UZY. This is just a video representation of the vehicle. Here we have the side of the vehicle in blue metallic. Sporty rear side of the vehicle with the black lip on the boot lid. Big size boot. The left side of the vehicle. Alloy wheels. Rear seats in micro suede partial leather interior. Front interior. Nice old seating. Again in micro suede partial leather. Got the instrument cluster along with 3-spoke steering wheel. A center console with satellite navigation. Manual gearbox. Dual zone climate control. For further information or further inquiries, please feel free to get into contact. We'd be happy to help.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.